we are gonna talk about error 7, why it arises and how to fix it. So basically, the error 7 arises because of the safety check, which is custom ROM file. So to prevent you from installing a different ROM on your device, which is not meant for your phone. Guys, this doesn't mean you should not install that ROM, because this error many times appears for no reason. See, I'll show you. I'm gonna install the Super OS on my phone, and here it goes. It is showing error 7, and now the installation will stop. See, the error come. So now I'm gonna show you how to fix this error. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you the most simplest way to get rid of this error 7. All you have to do is extract the files from your zip file of custom ROM to a folder. I have already done this like this. Okay, next you have to open this meta inc folder, go to this com folder, go to Google folder, then Android, then open this updater.script using Notepad++, which whose link I will put in the description box. And all you have to do is get rid of the whole assert function like this assert function, and the second one also. There are many other ROMs who have only one assert function. All you have to do is get rid of the whole assert function. Okay, then save this file and go back to your folder, and now zip all of these files in another zip. Create another zip file. Let me create another zip file. Okay, so I'm doesn't matter what you name this zip file. I'm gonna name it just rom 8.zip. Okay, okay, now a zip file has been created, as you can see it here. Now we have to copy this zip file and paste it in our device like this. Okay, so now we have successfully pasted a zip file here. It is rom 8, like you can see. Now all we have to do is go to our device in recovery mode and install this file. We have pasted the custom ROM file in our device, and we are gonna try to install it again. This is it, rom8.zip. See guys, no error 7. The superior OS, my custom ROM, is now installing, and it was successfully installed without any error now. So guys, like this video and also subscribe to my channel, and also comment your problems in the comment box. I will be entertaining them as soon as possible. Thank you guys.